Right, so here we're going to do card-based messages. These are very interesting because they let you display many things in one kind of carousel of images or text. Okay, so here we're going to click here, card-based messages, create new, enter a title. I think in kind of maybe the Eikaiwa world or English lesson world, maybe displaying our classes might be a good idea. So let's go ahead and do classes. Select a card type. So you have products, places, people, or pictures. Maybe you want to introduce some new teachers or introduce different locations of your school. But in this case, I'm going to click products, hit select. And here you get to design your first card. I'm going to make this very minimal for the tutorial's sake. But so we'll get rid of that, the banner. Add an image. So we'll start with my image. So here we have something simple, maybe a parent and child class. Okay, header, we'll call this seedlings. Okay, you can add a description. I'm not going to in this tutorial. Price, let's say 5,000 yen a month. And we can do an action. So maybe apply now. Add a URL. Here we go. Apply now. .com. Okay, so our first card is done. And when you want to add a second card, you can either click here, add card, or if you want to do something very similar to this one, you can click this icon, which means just to duplicate this card. So we'll go ahead and click that. And now we're on our second card. You can see from here our first card and our second card. So in our second card, let's get rid of this image and add a new one. Here we go, our second level. Right there. And here we go, we'll call them sprouts. Change the price to 6,000 yen. Change your URL or website if you have different sites for that. You can do nothing. But we are essentially done with our second card. Okay, so now we have all of our classes done. We can check them here. So there's one, our seedlings, our sprouts, our saplings, and our trees. Okay, so this is done. Let's go ahead and if you want to add a closing card, maybe some kind of campaign card or something, you can do that as well. I'm not going to, so I'll turn that off and we'll save it here. Okay, so now your card-based message is done. Go to broadcast. We'll create new. And by this point, you should know very well how to broadcast. So down here, we'll click on card-based messages. Select card-based. Here we go, we have our classes. And then we click send. Send. And there you go.